Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to announce the launch of a new community dedicated to helping programmers succeed and win together. Programming can be a challenging and sometimes lonely journey, but it doesn't have to be that way. Our community provides a platform for like-minded individuals to connect, share knowledge, collaborate, and support each other on our programming journeys. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, there is always something new to learn and someone new to meet. Together, we can share our successes and failures, learn from each other's experiences, and push each other to new heights. Our community offers a range of resources, including tips, advice, and discussions on various programming languages, tools, and technologies. We also host events such as coding challenges, workshops, and Q&A sessions with industry experts. So, if you're looking for a supportive and engaging community of programmers to join, we invite you to be a part of our journey. Together, we can build something great and win as a team. Thank you for watching and for your interest in our community. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all our latest events and discussions. We look forward to seeing you there.